A backup service from a managed service provider would involve actually implementing technology that sits on your internal network in your office that basically replicates your data from one server or storage device internally out to another network. Typically this would be to a hosted network that actually stored in a data center, something like Microsoft Azure out in the cloud. Another form of backup might be to just replicate files out to Microsoft Azure that served as an archive. So if you're not using data that is actually live, you might want to store large data sitting in storage archive devices in a hosted facility such as Microsoft Azure. Either way, the backup service then should be replicating the data, and then it should be managed. So a management of a service would be to make sure that it is actually backing up every day and getting alerts if it's actually failed, and then doing test restores of data from the data center back to the actual devices in your office. And then the final part of a backup service might be from one hosted facility to another hosted facility. That could be actually geo-redundant as well. So you might want to send a copy from one continent to the next. This is all possible and should all be discussed depending upon what your data backup needs are.